Welcome to this lecture on Trait Activation Theory, or TAT, in the context of organizational behavior. This is a crucial concept for understanding how individual differences influence workplace behavior.
Trait activation theory helps us understand why certain personality traits are more evident and influential in specific situations. It's about the interplay between who we are and where we are. At its core, TAT suggests that traits are expressed as behaviors only when the situation provides cues relevant to that trait. Think of it as a hidden potential that only comes out under the right circumstances. In organizational behavior, TAT is incredibly valuable. It helps us predict how employees will behave in different work environments and explains why some people thrive in certain roles while others struggle. To grasp TAT fully, we need to understand its core concepts: traits, situational cues, and trait-relevant situations. Traits are stable individual differences, like personality characteristics, that predispose individuals to certain behaviors. For instance, conscientiousness or extroversion are examples of such traits. Situational cues are environmental triggers that provide opportunities or demands for the expression of a particular trait. These cues can be explicit, like a job description, or implicit, like a team's culture. Trait-relevant situations are contexts where a specific trait is particularly useful or necessary for effective performance. When traits and situations align, behavior is activated. Let's look at some practical examples of trait activation theory in the workplace. Consider conscientiousness. Individuals high in this trait are organized, detail-oriented, and disciplined. In a job that requires meticulous adherence to procedures, like accounting or project management, their conscientiousness is activated. Extroversion is another great example. People with high extroversion are outgoing and sociable. In roles that involve public speaking, networking, or team leadership, their extroversion naturally comes to the forefront. Finally, consider openness to experience. Individuals high in this trait are curious and imaginative. They thrive in creative industries, research roles, or innovative project teams, where new ideas are constantly explored and valued. Understanding TAT has significant implications for organizations, especially in how they manage their workforce. First, it informs job design and fit. By understanding which traits are activated by specific job demands, organizations can design roles that align with the personality characteristics of their employees, leading to better performance and satisfaction. Second, TAT is crucial for employee selection and placement. Identifying candidates whose traits are likely to be activated by the job environment can significantly improve hiring outcomes. This means looking beyond just skills and experience to include personality fit. Third, it impacts performance management and development. Managers can create situations that activate desired traits in employees, fostering growth and improving performance. For example, assigning a shy employee a presentation task might activate their public speaking skills. In conclusion, trait activation theory provides a powerful framework for understanding human behavior in organizations. It highlights that behavior isn't just about who we are, but also about the situations we are in. By recognizing the interplay between traits and situations, organizations can create environments where employees are more likely to thrive, leading to better performance, satisfaction, and overall success.